Hello guys, and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD. We've got euro USD, gold, USDCAD, and the XY. Starting off with pound USD quickly this week, it looks like we're going into a week with good setup. We've seen price breakout of this region of 1.3425 region, so let's just call it 1.3450 region. Okay, and this was a good move last week. And if I should move this a little bit to the daily time frame here, would see more or less this is one of the highs we've made in a long time, since 2022 around March. Okay, March, let's say, when was price here? Yeah, around 2022. Alright, so what I'm anticipating is a continuation of price to the upside. I just need something like a pullback here, a pullback to these regions here to pick up orders, and then we can continue to the upside. Alright, this is exactly what I'll be looking out for here on pound USD. Take this off, not too much lines here. The only reason we might start seeing any change is when price might actually come into this region, the whole of this regions here, right here, and still continue to the upside. If they want to do some kind of like manipulation, it happens. Okay, I'm bullish till, let's say, till midweek. The only reason I'll be considering any sell opportunities is when price breaks below this region here, which is around here. Anything below these regions, then I know price is changing dimension. For now, I'm seeing a positive move to the upside, which is a pullback to these regions and a continuation. Another confluence we might use is the Fibonacci retracement tool. At market open, we might still make a new high, so this might not be very reliable, but we can see price coming into this region of 61.80, 78.60. But if we pull from this region here, we can see it aligns with 50% retracement region here and 61.8 if price pulls back from when market opens. Okay, all right, so this is a valid region to look into continue buys for pound USD. All right, here on euro USD, we've seen a downward trend line broken, a retest, a continuation, another pullback to this region here, and a continuation. My anticipation is to see price continue to the upside. Now it looks kind of different from pound USD in the sense that this region was previously rejected, as you can see. Let me put it this way. So it was previously rejected. We saw 1.1370 regions was previously rejected, and price didn't break it before market closed last week. So what would I be looking out for? I just want to see price break out of this region here. Okay, retest it, and we definitely will see price hit 1.1437 and maybe continue to the upside. What's this line here? I'll just take this off. Okay, this was the highest high it made previously here. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking out for pound USD. There's a possibility from the 1 hour time frame that we might want to maybe price pull back a little bit into this region again before continuing to the upside. So we might also want to put an eye to this region as well, and this region here. They are possible. Yeah, possible to see price coming to the only reason I'll be looking out for sell opportunities or changing dimensions here would be, let me put this right, would be when price comes below this region, so 1.1230, that is around this region here, possibly. But price coming into this region, possibly even to this region, so 1.1277 is possible, and then continuing to the upside. But those are possible as well. So but this is what I'll be looking out for at market open, either a pullback or a breakout of this region and a continuation to the upside. Okay, that's that for euro USD. And then over here on gold, nice setup, nice looking at a possible head and shoulder patterns, inverse head and shoulder pattern on a big scale, inverse head and shoulder pattern, price rejecting this region. All I'm looking out for at market open, I'm looking out for a break of price above this region here and a continuation to the upside. Sell opportunities will be below this, but it's possible at market open price we want to come back to play around this region before it continues. That's possible. I'm only looking for sells if price comes below this region here, which is here. That would be the time I'm looking for sells. Yeah, rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. So if price breaks below it, then we'll be looking out for you know, like a sell opportunity to the downs. But for now, I'm very much bullish here on gold, looking at to see price break above here to continue to the upside, or a little pullback. We'll get some rejections and then we'll continue to the upside. That's that. We got USDCAD. USDCAD has finally broken below this region of 1.3782, and that means that I'll be looking out to see price maybe make a pullback to this region here then a continuation. So yes, this is exactly what I'm looking at for here on USDCAD. Buys would only be if price comes back to break above these regions here. Okay, but also we can also take note that price might want to pull back all the way to this original level here before continuing, so that's also possible. That's that for USDCAD. And DXY, finally we've seen price break up below the upward trend line here, had a retest to these regions here, maybe creating something like a head and shoulder pattern here, head and shoulder pattern, rejections everywhere. So I want to see price continue down here, retest, continue to the downside and possibly even below, or at market open we might just get a little bit of pullback, rejecting these regions here one more time, maybe pull back to these regions or back here to create a double top, and then we'll continue to the downside. That's that. Okay, I'll see you guys for updates Wednesday or Thursday. Make sure you back some peeps, and ciao.